Moving towards the law of triangle. So the statement of law of triangle is different. Like in law of parallelogram, the resultant force if the two adjacent sides of parallelogram P and Q is a tensile or compressive force, then the resultant will be the diagonal of the parallelogram. And in triangle, if the two force P and Q is two sides of triangle, then the resultant will be the third side of the triangle. So modifying this figure like in the basis of this P, Q, the angle here is theta. Okay, so third force, the third side is the resultant force. Okay, this is beta and this is theta. The equation is same as the law of parallelogram. Okay, now these two force we have understand to find the resultant force. One thing you have to keep in mind, in these two law, the law of triangle and the law of parallelogram, it's only applicable when the forces are occurring in concurrent and it should be less than or equal to 2. Not less than equal to 2, it should be 2. When two concurrent forces are occurring, then and then we can use the law of parallelogram and law of triangle. After knowing this, one question arises in my mind that what we should do if there are more than two concurrent forces. So, if there are more than two concurrent forces, if there are more than two concurrent forces, then the summation, the resolution of all the forces, either we can say that vertical force or horizontal force, used to define resultant force. Means if I am drawing one state, the force is acting here, 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 the force is acting here. It's one point, but P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, these all 5 concurrent forces are occurring on the plate, okay, from one point. So, to convert these diagonal forces into horizontal and vertical forces by using the cos theta value and sin theta value, okay, and then summation of all horizontal forces and summation of vertical forces we need to find. After that, using the equation of resolution, R is equal to summation of h square plus summation of v square, we can find the value of R, one single force. Okay, by summing these we can find the value of 1R. It could be somewhere in this quadrant diagram, like somewhere here also, somewhere here also, and somewhere here also. So how we can decide that where the value of resultant will be located? By finding the value of alpha. and the alpha value will be found by tan alpha is equal to summation of V by summation of H. Mod of summation of V by summation of H, because it will be always in the positive form. That's why we are using the mod of summation V and summation of H. So we have understand that if there are more than two concurrent forces, then the resultant force is found by the resolution forces, which means the summation of vertical force and horizontal force. By using this formula we can find the value of R, and by using this formula we can find the value of location of the resultant force in this quadrant.